Welcome to Food Enough, the anti-gourmet channel where we prepare food that's good enough for everyday cooking. Today I'm gonna make cookies. I'm gonna start by adding some coconut oil, about half a cup. If it's solid, we're gonna put it in the microwave for a few moments to melt it. Just a few seconds in the microwave should be enough. I'm gonna add the coconut oil to the bowl. Then 1 cup of sugar. If you want to use brown sugar, that's all good. Next, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna give it a good stir. Mix it all together. Now that it's combined, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I always like to add a little bit extra because I really like vanilla. And a 1/4 cup of some sort of milk. I'm going to use cashew milk. Honestly, I think you can even use water, it will be fine. 1/4 cup. And we're going to combine it all together until the sugar dissolves. Finally, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 cups of white flour. I'm going to fold the flour into the mix gently. And that's the base of our cookies. Now if you want to add anything to them, you can do it now. I'm going to add some chocolate chips. Rather than buying chocolate chips, I'm going to chop some chocolate. How much chocolate is really up to you. I don't like too much. And we're going to give it one final mix. Here's our dough. Now this goes in the fridge for a half hour. Let's make some cookies. First thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. I lined the tray with parchment paper. Now we're gonna make balls about the size of ping pong ball and lay them on the tray. Make sure to leave enough space between them to spread. This is now gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes. And here we have it. Now all we need to do is let it cool down. The cookies are ready. Let's try them. Good enough.